Okay, guys. Today we're going to go over how to use the newer version of the Chris Titus Tech Utility. Today we've got Falcon Peterbot is his Fortnite name. You'll see him in the Discord as ETRTRT, whatever his name is. I can't remember. It's got a lot of E and R's and T's. But we're gonna run through. He's doing the full opti right now, but we're gonna run through doing the Chris Titus Tech Utility. I do it first thing with all of my new builds. It's a real good tool for debloating Windows, and I highly recommend that you guys do it. Click on Google Chrome down there at the bottom. Type Chris Titus Tech Utility in the search bar there. CHRIS TITUS. That's how you spell his name. There we go. Go ahead and there we go. The Chris Titus Tech. I always like to type in utility, but we're just looking for his main webpage here. You can also, apparently, I guess the website's name is christitus.com. Go to christitus.com. We're going to click on the top thing at the top, the thing at the top there that says 2026, where he's smiling so beautifully at you. So click the little image there. Exactly. Scroll down to where you see where it says copy right there, Peter. You're going to hit copy. We're going to press the Windows button. Type PowerShell. Open it as administrator. So right click on it. No, close it. Close it. You got to make sure you open this as administrator, guys. So PowerShell. Right click on it. Or you can hit run as administrator right there. There we go. Perfect. Now hit Control V and press enter. Okay. You can close the web page in the background, Peter. And this is going to open up the Chris Titus Tech Utility. Go ahead and let's click on updates at the very top, Peter. We're going to click security settings in the very center. Now we're going to go to tweaks. We'll start with the settings on the right-hand side. We're going to uncheck Bing search and start menu. We're going to uncheck cross-device resume. We're going to uncheck mouse acceleration. Recommendations in the start menu. Sticky keys. And now we're going to go to the left-hand side at the top and click the word standard. Perfect. So right now you're going to notice a lot of stuff checks on its own. We're going to run all of these things, but let's go over the advanced section first. Okay. Starting from the top, Peter, we're going to check options from the advanced section. So go down a little bit, see where it says advanced. We're going to start from the top, and you're just going to check the ones that I label to check. So check the Adobe Network block Razor software installs, disable background apps, disable IPv6, disable Microsoft Copilot, disables Torito, prefer IPv4 over IPv6, remove Gallery, Home, and Microsoft Edge. Do Gallery above it too as well, okay? Remove the Gallery, remove Home, remove the Microsoft Edge, remove OneDrive, remove the Xbox and the gaming components if you don't use them. Now, guys, remember, you can only remove Microsoft Edge if you're using a secondary browser. Make sure you have Google Chrome or Opera or some other browser installed before you remove Edge, okay? I don't want to hear nobody in the comments telling me, I don't have a web browser now. Make sure you have another one before you remove Edge, okay? All right, so set classic right-click menu. You can all thank me in the comments for that later. Set display for performance. And now we're just going to click the Run OO Shut Up button. This is going to open another window, so just it feels a little laggy. Give it a moment to open, guys, so that it can display what's inside of it. It sometimes takes a moment. All right. So when OBS shut up officially opens up, you're going to be presented with this screen. From here, I want you to click Actions at the very top. Hit Apply Only Recommended Settings. Hit No. 149 settings for Peter have successfully been set. This is going to vary for some of you depending on how your setup is already set up. Okay. All right. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to find out which ones we don't need. And we're going to uncheck those. Okay. And let me show you how we do this. Okay. Scroll down to the app privacy section, Peter. I want you to download everything from disable app access to use voice activation. So the third option in the red there, the fourth option in the red. So go down, 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 right there. So disable everything from that one. So disable, just keep going until I tell you to stop. So disable, 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 right there. Right there. Okay, perfect. Now, guys, if you want to find out what these settings do, it's as easy as clicking on one of the sentences. So click on one of the sentences like disable app access. Just click on the words. When you click on it, it's going to expand and let you see exactly what it is this does. So make sure that you read through here and figure out exactly what it is that you can disable and what you can't disable. Okay. All right. Keep going down for me. Scroll down. The others I know that we're really good to go ahead and download or disable. Stop here. If you have scroll up for me. So this is Microsoft Edge. So yeah, go ahead and go down. We can go ahead if we're removing Microsoft Edge, which is something I highly recommend. We can do all the ones. Go up, Peter. Go up, 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 up. Right there. We can disable all of these, the ones in the Microsoft Edge section. So go ahead and get rid of those. Everything in the red right there. Good, 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 good. We don't need any of those because we're not using Edge. Scroll down. Microsoft Edge Legacy. We're not using that. We can go ahead and get rid of all those as well. Scroll down. Windows Explorer, the do not show recently items and the disable ads in Windows Explorer. Scroll down. The Windows search extension with Bing. That one. Everything in the taskbar section. Disable people, search, and meet now. You are not trying to meet up with anyone in the taskbar of your computer, okay? We don't want that, right? We don't want that. That needs to go off. That doesn't need to be on while I'm cranking 90s. All right. I'm just saying. Scroll down. Okay, good. You're at the bottom. All right, hit local machine at the top. We're going to disable biometrical features. This one's safe to do if you don't use a fingerprint, a finger or thumbprint, or a retinal scanner to access your computer. Scroll down. So now again, just like in the other section, we can get rid of access to movements. So the fourth option there, all the way down to disable eye tracking. Okay, so everything all the way down to disable access to eye tracking. So keep going. I'll tell you when you're there. And the next one after this one. Microsoft doesn't need to track your eyes, okay? If you have a camera, just know that this is enabled by default. We don't want this, okay? We don't want this. Not for gaming, not for anything. I don't want what I'm looking at tracked on the. I don't want that. I don't think you do either. If you do, leave it. Leave it. If you want that, leave it. You know, scroll down. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop, stop. Okay. Nothing in there. Go, go, go. The Microsoft Edge right there. Or wait, that's the Microsoft Edge section. No, go back up. I'm so sorry. Right there. So that scroll down. Yep, that's Microsoft Edge right there. All those, all those, all those. They wouldn't be bad if they weren't connected to Edge. which we're going to remove. So let's make sure we remove anything running in the background for it. Scroll down, all the legacy edge. Good. Go down, location services. I'm not worried about anyone yanking my desktop out of my house. Maybe you are. If you are, leave it on. Windows Update, everything inside of the Windows Update section. No updates. No updates. Disable OneDrive access, Microsoft OneDrive under Windows Explorer. If you're disabling Microsoft Defender, you can do these as well. But leave data submitting data sample. Well, no. Go ahead and do them all. If you guys have any issues with IOMMU with Fortnite, come back to that middle one and uncheck that middle one. I don't believe you will. But if so, that would be the one that would do it. But going to Microsoft shouldn't be the one that does it. All right. So just something to think about in the future. Keep going. Go ahead and do it, man. I think you're gonna be just fine. Disable Meet Now, disable news. That shouldn't be tied to IOMMU or the requirements for Fortnite, because it's sample sent to Microsoft. But Microsoft is weird sometimes, and it may conflict with it. So if you see it, we'll come back here and just untoggle that one specific thing. So keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. Okay, you're at the bottom. All right, so you can just hit X on this now. Hit close. Close it. Hit OK. You don't have to worry about it. We're not going to open it again. Hit close again. Hit close. Not yet. Now hit run tweaks at the bottom left. And if you click on that window in the background, click on that black window, you can watch them run in live time. So we created a system restore point. We're going to run through disk cleanup. And once this is all finished, it's going to say tweaks finished, and we're going to restart our PCs. Guys, running the Chris Titus tool is basically as simple as that. Once this is over with, you are going to have a much more efficiently running system. If you're not running some sort of a custom power plan or my custom power plan because you bought the $25 utility, be sure to also click Add and Activate Ultimate Performance Profile. It's right there underneath the Performance Plan section on the right-hand side. That's going to add and activate the Ultimate Power Plan Performance Profile for Windows computers. It's kind of a stock plan, but it's much, much better than just the basic power plan that you're currently on. Okay? Hit OK there, Peter. Tweaks are finished. We're going to go ahead and end this video. You guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. But until then, this is the exact thing that I want you to do before running my tweaks, or if you don't have $1. So if you don't have $1, at least do this for yourself. Okay. Love you guys. Get right to it. GG's. Get out there and make some noise. And thank you so much for the support. And we'll see you in the next video.